Now you will learn how to trade gold and other assets on Binance TradFi. If you are going to trade TradFi products on Binance, you must be aware of the risks that I will reveal to you in today's video. Also important to understand the long-term performance of these assets compared to Bitcoin, as I will show you in a moment. First, when you want to start trading any asset on Binance, you'll need to create a free account. I will leave you a link in the description right here below the video where you can get the best welcome rewards on Binance. After clicking the first link right here, you will land on the Binance registration page where you will see my face, my channel name and the best sign up rewards for Binance. You will create your free account on the right hand side using your email address, phone number, Google, Apple or Telegram account. All sign up methods are free. First, let me give you a little bit of background info about Binance TradFi. You probably know that Binance is the biggest crypto platform in the world by far, and they have also launched their TradFi products in 2026. TradFi stands for traditional finance, which in practice means usually forex, gold, silver, stocks and many other traditional assets. And many crypto platforms have started adding these TradFi products because the demand seems to be big. The first major crypto exchange that added TradFi products was BYBIT, and you can still see them here on the BYBIT TradFi trading. They have much more products available than Binance, for example. Other top crypto exchanges have also started adding them. For example, BINANCE Biggest TradFi, MEXC has several TradFi products including silver and tokenized stocks. So these TradFi products are becoming more and more popular among crypto platforms. And notice here that the Binance TradFi are perpetual contracts, so they are futures or derivatives trading, not spot trading, so you don't have the physical ownership. When you are trading these TradFi products, you are speculating on the price and getting price exposure, but not physically owning gold or silver, for example. At the moment of recording this video, Binance has launched gold and silver futures trading, and according to their announcement, Binance will continue to expand the list of available TradFi products. If you want to get a crypto platform that already has much more TradFi products, for example stocks, indices, forex, commodities, metals, then I recommend BYBIT platform. They have also the best welcome rewards, as you can see right here for my YouTube subscribers. They have more trading products available and better rates on the BYBIT Earn product compared to Binance Earn. They also provide the crypto card and many other benefits that Binance doesn't have. And that's why I will also leave you a link in description for BYBIT as well right here in the second link. But now let's focus on trading on the Binance TradFi. You are able to do the trading on the computer. You simply choose here the futures, USDM futures, and here you can choose USDM, and here they have TradFi, or you can simply search here, for example, XAU stands for gold and then XAG stands for silver. You can also trade TradFi products on your phone. You simply come to futures, perpetual trading, and there you will find TradFi and different assets that they have already released. Now let's go through the trading in practice. The first step is to transfer USDT to your futures account, because you notice here these are trading against USDT. Here we have gold against USDT and here is the silver against USDT. So you can click here on the right hand side these two arrows, and then you can transfer, for example, from fiat and spot to your futures account. You choose the amount right here, click here confirm, and you can see the transfer was successful. Then you choose the trading pair right here. I have chosen this gold and USDT, and then you choose the leverage. This will amplify everything, so if you are a beginner, choose a very small leverage, and even if you would be experienced or advanced, be extremely careful with any leverage higher than 10, because then the risks go really high. I will show now examples with the 10x leverage, because it's easier to understand, but keep in mind the risks. Then you can do the trading exactly the same way like you would do with crypto assets, as I have shown you on multiple videos on my Binance playlist. How to trade futures on Binance step by step, and you have seen many other futures trading tutorials on my Binance playlist. You simply choose the order type. Market is of course the easiest because it executes a trade immediately. Then you choose the order size right here. Let me just give you an example. You can also set up take profit and stop losses right here, and you can click here open long. You can see order submitted, order filled, and you can see it right here in the positions, gold against USDT. And now let me show you also an example of silver against USDT. If you want to short the asset, you can scroll this one again and then simply click here open short. You can see the order was submitted and filled immediately. And the same process works also for other assets. As they keep on increasing the TradFi products, you are able to do the trading the same way. Then you are able to see and manage your orders right here on the bottom. Here is my gold trade and here is my silver trade. You can see both of them are slightly profitable within these first few seconds, and you are able to close your trades by clicking this market right here, or with the limit order by clicking limit. Now let's go through the main risks of trading these TradFi products. The first one I already mentioned, this leverage, because with leverage you will have faster movements. For example, with the 10x leverage you will get 10 times faster profits and losses. With the 75x leverage you will get 75 times faster profits and losses. With 50x again 50 times faster. Just a 2% move to the opposite direction and you lose your whole position. The second major risk that many beginners don't realize is the opportunity cost. Let's take for example this gold against USDT, and let's take a long-term chart. Here we have for example a really long-term chart for gold, more than 100 years. You can see the first prices all the way from 1916 and 15 all the way until today, and the price looks nice. You can see it has been going higher and higher over the decades and the years. Here is for example last 50 years from the 70s, and now some beginners might think that hey, investing in gold has been good because you would have made profits. And yes, against US dollar, which has been really weak, beginners might even look at last 20 years and they say hey, gold has been really good, or last 10 years and they look gold has been going higher and higher. But when you put gold against Bitcoin, you notice the reality. Gold against Bitcoin has been completely collapsing. You can see it's going closer and closer to zero. And let me show you also here. Gold growth looks nice in the last 15 years, but when we compare it to the Bitcoin growth, you can see the blue line shows Bitcoin and the green one shows gold. You can barely even see any movement of gold because Bitcoin has completely been outperforming gold. And we can do the same for example for the last 10 years. The story is the same. And if we take gold against BTC, you can see gold is just collapsing. And the same applies to other assets. Silver for example, here you can see more than 100 years of the silver history. The price has been going higher. If we take for example the last 20 years, you can see the price has gone much higher, but again the same. Let's compare silver against Bitcoin, and here you can see the last 10 years. Silver is absolutely collapsing against BTC. Silver has lost more than 97% of its value in the last 10 years against BTC. If we take a longer time frame, for example 15 years or 16 years, silver has lost even more value against Bitcoin. And you can see recently against USD, silver has gone up pretty rapidly. You can see it's right here. But if we compare to Bitcoin, that's just a minor blip right here. So the long-term performance of gold and silver means that they are going towards zero against Bitcoin. And of course, if we talk about Forex, so fiat currencies, dollar, euro, other ones, you can see here the chart. In the last one day, dollar has lost more than 2% of its value against Bitcoin. Then in the last 1 month, US dollar lost more than 7% of its value against Bitcoin. In the last 5 years, US dollar lost more than 62% of its value against Bitcoin, and even more in the long term. So this is something you must understand when it comes to trading these assets. Even though against US dollar they might look nice, as you can see right here, against Bitcoin you might be losing value. So you must understand the opportunity cost. If you are putting money into silver or gold, you may be missing out on the bigger gains with Bitcoin. And that's why getting Bitcoin directly is a better option for most people. That being said, if you want an alternative platform for trading TradFi in addition to Binance, I recommend BYBIT that I already mentioned in the beginning. They provide already metal, oil indices, stocks, numerous different assets. They also have better earn products with the higher interest rates. They provide the crypto card that you can use in real life to get cash back and other rewards. And there are also many other benefits, including the best welcome rewards for our YouTube subscribers. And that's why I encourage you to join BYBIT as well. I will leave you the second link in the description right here.